Hello children of class 4. Today we will see division of numbers, the first part. So let's get into the topic. Let's see how to do division by dots method. Question is given as 8 divided by 2. Now here we will put 2 dots per row, means in the first row 2 dots, then we will continue counting till 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So till how much we will put the dots? 8. Now how many rows we have got? We will check. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows we have got? 4. So 8 divided by 2, your answer will be 4. Let's see one more example. 10 divided by 5. Now here in the first row, how many dots will come? 5. Let us put the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will count till 10. 5 we have completed here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will stop till 10. Now how many rows are there? 1 and 2. So your answer will be 2. So this is by dots method. Next we will see the proper division questions, how you have to solve this. Question is given as 75 divided by 5. Now how you will do this division? For this you need to know the tables. We will write here tables. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 and so on. For till 6 table is enough to solve division sums. Now let's see how to do this sum. Here only one digit is there, so here also you will take only one digit. 7 is greater than 5. So between these numbers 7 comes. So you will take the smaller number. That means 5. It is 5 ones are 5. Understanding students? Now what is 7 minus 5 is 2. You will carry down the next number, that is 5. Now your total question is 25. Now you have to check for whether 5's table has 25. Yes, it has 25 over here. How many times? 5 5s are 25. So the remainder is 0. Hope you have understood. Let's see one more example. 92 divided by 7. Now here you will write the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. Till 6 we will stop. Now let's solve this. 7 and 9. It comes between these numbers. We will take the smaller number. 7 ones are 7. The remainder is 2. Next number carry down 2. Now the total number is 22. We will check whether 7 has 22. No, but it has smaller number as 21. Always you have to see for the smaller number, not the bigger number. So 21 is a smaller than 22. So how many times? 1, 2, 3. 7 3s are 21. So when you subtract this, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is your final answer. Now let's see another type. 33 divided by 5. Now in this question, 5 is greater than 3. So how you will do this? We will write the table. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 and 5 6s are 30. Okay, now let's solve. Now 5 is greater than 3. So it doesn't go, so we will put here 0. 5 zeros are 0. Always you have to take with single numbers. Now 3 minus 0 is 3. Carry down the next number 3. Now your question is 33. 3. You will find out whether 33 comes. We will write the table one more. 5 sevens are is 35. So 33 comes between these two numbers. So we will take the smaller number, that is 30. So how many times? 5 6 are 30. Now we will do the subtraction. 3 minus 0 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Understanding, students? In this type we will see one more example to make the concept clear. 51 divided by 7. We will write the 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42 and 7 sevens are 49. Writing these tables will help you solve easily. Now 7 is greater than 5, so 0 will come. 7 zeros are 0. 5, next number is 1. Now look for 51. 51 is not there in the table. Here we have stopped till 7 sevens are 49 and 7 eights are is 56. So 51 will come between these two. Yes. Now we will take the smaller number 49. How many times? 7 sevens are 49. To do the subtraction also, you can take a simple method. Count after 49. 50, 51. How many remainder is coming? 2. Understanding, students? Now the last type, that is 50 divided by 5. Now here you can do the direct. 5 ones are is 5. 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Next number, don't forget to take this 0 also. Next number is 0. Now your question is 0, 0. So 5 zeros are 0. The answer will come as 0. Hope you are understanding. This is the first part of division. Thank you, students.